Don't trade until you know this, because trading is not about predicting the market or getting rich quickly, even though social media often makes it look that way. And many beginners enter trading believing that a few indicators, signals, or strategies will guarantee profits. But the truth is that successful trading is about discipline, risk management, and emotional control rather than prediction. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is focusing only on winning trades instead of learning how to manage losses. Because losses are an unavoidable part of trading, and even professional traders lose regularly. But what separates successful traders from failing ones is their ability to control how much they lose on each trade. If you do not know exactly how much you are willing to lose before entering a trade, you are not trading, you are gambling. And without proper position sizing and stop-loss rules, a few bad trades can wipe out your entire account before you even gain experience. Another important truth is that trading is a game of probabilities, not certainty, which means no setup works every time, and expecting every trade to be profitable will only lead to frustration, overtrading, and emotional decisions. Many traders ignore the psychological side of trading, even though psychology plays a bigger role than strategy, because fear causes traders to exit winning trades too early. Greed makes them hold losing trades too long, and impatience pushes them into trades that do not meet their rules. Emotional trading slowly destroys consistency and confidence, and once emotions take control, discipline disappears. Another thing you must understand before trading is that the market does not owe you anything, and each trade is independent of the last one, which means trying to recover losses quickly through revenge trading is one of the fastest ways to blow an account. Many beginners also underestimate the importance of having a trading plan, because without clear rules for entry, exit, risk, and trade frequency, trading becomes random and stressful. A trading plan helps you make decisions logically instead of emotionally and allows you to measure performance over time. Real traders do not focus on daily profits. They focus on executing their plan correctly, because consistency in execution leads to consistency in results. Another critical concept is capital protection, because your first job as a trader is not to make money but to protect your capital. Since without capital you cannot trade, learn, or improve. This is why professional traders risk only a small percentage of their account on each trade, allowing them to survive losing streaks without emotional or financial damage. Trading also requires patience, because good opportunities do not appear every day, and forcing trades out of boredom usually leads to losses. Many beginners confuse activity with productivity, but in trading, doing less often leads to better results. Keeping a trading journal is another habit many beginners ignore. Even though reviewing trades helps identify mistakes, improve discipline, and strengthen decision-making over time, trading success does not come from one big win, but from hundreds of small disciplined decisions made consistently. Finally, you must understand that trading is a skill, not a shortcut, and like any skill, it requires time, practice, education, and realistic